Hey guys, Merry Christmas! Today we are getting into a hearty, delicious, loaded baked potato soup. This soup is so delicious, yet so simple. And I guarantee you, you will love it. The ingredients are so simple and it is absolutely semi-homemade. Let's go ahead and take a look at these ingredients. Here are the ingredients you're going to need for this loaded baked potato soup. You're going to need some cream of potato soup. You're going to need some Ragu cheddar cheese sauce. And of course, baked potatoes. When I tell you this soup is everything, it is everything. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So you want to start by adding some bacon to a heavy bottom boiler. And I'm using my Dutch oven today. And I am using turkey bacon. We love turkey bacon with our baked potato soup. So we're going to fry up a whole pack of turkey bacon. Okay, now I'm going to start working on my baked potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and remove all the skin from my baked potatoes. And if you had baked potatoes left over from a previous recipe or the night before, this is a great recipe to use those potatoes up. And as you can see me, my potatoes are hot because I just cooked mine the same day. But I have family members waiting to get their hands on this baked potato soup, so I have to keep moving. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to fry up my bacon and remove the skin from my potatoes. And when we come back, I will show you the next step. Once you have removed all the skin from your potatoes, now we're going to simply dice those potatoes up. And you can dice those according to your liking, but I like to dice mine in chunks because of course it's going to cook in a sauce and I don't want anything to turn into mush because we're not making mashed potatoes. It's a soup and I want to have a little bit of creaminess in the chunks mixed together, which balance the soup out in my opinion. Make this recipe your own. So we're going to take our cream of potato soup and we're going to add it right to our Dutch oven. And you see all that browning at the bottom? That's flavor. We want that to remain in there. We're going to add our soup right on top of everything that's there. Trust me, it's going to balance out the flavor and it's going to be very, very good. Make sure you keep your stove on a low heat while adding all your ingredients because we don't want it to scorch and burn. And I'm looking back because my little grandbaby, she's crawling below my feet there. So I have my family over and they are waiting on baked potato soup. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our cheese sauce. And I chose this Ragu cheddar cheese sauce. And of course you can make your own, but like I said, this is a semi-homemade recipe. So we're going to add the whole carton to the potato soup and we're going to stir everything together. Now we're going to add in our milk. And in my bowl, I have mixed together 2% milk and half. That's the way I like to balance mine out. Told you it is rich It is a rich soup. This is absolutely a soup that you cannot have every day, but maybe once a month, but not every day. The soup is rich, but it's so good. Time to add some seasonings. So we're going to start by adding some Worcestershire sauce. Ooh, I said it good that time. So we're going to add our Worcestershire sauce in, and we're going to start off with like a half a teaspoon. Next up, we're going to add in some garlic powder, and I am eyeballing it, but about a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and we're going to get all of that stirred in together. Get those flavors all mixed in.
When it's Christmas time, I light up a fire, gather friends and family. Have a bite to eat and some Christmas sweets, chilling out and watch TV.
And don't forget to taste your dish as you move along your recipe. Now you see me adding more milk simply because I am making a large batch of this soup today. I'm adding about an eighth of a teaspoon of accent. That's going to help bring our flavors all together. We don't need very much of that because we have some powerful flavors that we're adding to my soup. In my opinion, the Worcestershire sauce, that is a powerful flavor to me. Now we're going to put the star of the show into this lovely sauce that we have made, and that's our baked potatoes. We're going to get those all mixed in. And please do not forget to taste along the way.
If you make the trip, have a little sip, talking about the good old times.
Okay guys, we are minutes away from having this loaded baked potato soup. And if you like my video this far, please subscribe to the channel, like and share, because you do not want to miss this lovely baked potato soup. I keep stressing it, guys. It is so delicious. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add some salt, and I have some pink Himalaya salt that I'm adding to my dish.
When the Christmas spirit's all over town.
Anytime I add something, I like to go ahead and stir to make sure it get incorporated. I don't like for my my seasonings to clump right on top. I add and then I stir. And I just added a couple of shakes of white pepper to the dish. We're going to get that well incorporated. So check out this next ingredient. It's not just for barbecues. We can put this in a lot of different things. And when I tell you it brings that soup up, it brings it up. So I added a couple of shakes of liquid smoke, and a little goes a long way. You do not need a lot of liquid smoke. And we're going to get it all stirred into our soup. And please taste along the way.
He'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year.
Adding you some complete seasoning. We only need about a teaspoon, because we have a lot of flavors rolling through this soup.
Over town, when the Christmas spirit's all over town.
Go ahead and place your lid on and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now you want to check it because this soup does get thick. What's a baked potato without sour cream? So in my loaded baked potato soup, I'm going to add in some sour cream, and this is at the end. And by the time you add your sour cream, you do not want to let it continue to cook. You want your sour cream to get well incorporated just until it melt and mesh well with the soup. And that's probably about a good 10 minutes. Once that's done, we are ready to serve up this delicious baked potato soup. No, loaded baked potato soup.
It means so much more than words can say, and
guys, this is going to be the perfect soup for this weekend because it is cold in our area, and I think everybody's getting that little winter Arctic blast that's coming through. This is perfect. I'm telling you. Nice, hot, nice and hearty.
This year I'll think about how I'm so
We're going to take our turkey bacon and we're going to chop it down into bite-sized pieces. Matter of fact, we're going to make it to a crumble. So I'm just going to take my knife and give it a lot of rough chops, and then we're just going to break it all the way down. Now, you don't have to use turkey bacon for your baked potato soup. You can use your favorite bacon. I find that turkey bacon, to me, is a great balance, and I love turkey bacon. We love turkey bacon.
gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday.
And there we have it. We're ready to plate this dish.
So much more than words can say, and I claim the Christmas.
Take a look at that soup. And yes, my children has been in the soup already. But I had to hurry and come and plate you all up a bowl of it. Take a look at that soup. Hearty, gorgeous. Look at the chunks of the potato. Y'all, please give this recipe a try. I guarantee you, you will make this again, and again. Absolutely delicious. Okay, let's continue to load this soup up. So at this point, you can add whatever you like to your soup. This is a loaded baked potato soup. So I'm adding some shredded cheese to it. And we're going to load it up with some of our turkey bacon, followed by some green onion. And we are ready to dig in. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and it's family time over at Simply Mercy B's home. Merry Christmas to everybody, and I wish you nothing but joy and happiness. And I hope you make this baked potato soup and enjoy it with your family. And like I always say, remember to keep life simple, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.